So phase one typically starts with the kickoff meeting. Normally we have all the key players from our client's company as well as our designers and engineers that will be working on the project. We like to do those meetings on site, so at the client's headquarters where we can see actual parts from them and get the pictures that we want rather than asking the client to send us pictures of their parts later on. So what comes out of the kickoff normally is we'll agree on components that they'll be using. Designers like to know the target user groups so they can design specifically for them. We also like to know things like pricing and, importantly, schedule.
Kickoff meetings are also a great time to start rough conceptualizing so designers can understand the direction that clients would like us to go, as well as understanding any physical limitations from the technical stakeholders.
Yeah, you can go buy stuff.